Today we are making a microwave vegan Spanish orange almond mug cake. It serves one person and takes about 10 minutes total. Let us bake a fluffy, citrusy dessert with olive oil and almonds, right in a mug. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour for structure. 2 tablespoons almond flour for a tender crumb and nutty flavor. 3 tablespoons granulated sugar for sweetness and browning. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder to help it rise. 1 pinch of fine salt to balance the flavors. 1 teaspoon finely grated orange zest for bright citrus aroma. 1/4 cup fresh orange juice for moisture and citrus flavor. 3 tablespoons unsweetened almond milk to smooth the batter. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil for that Spanish touch and extra moisture. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract for warmth and depth. 1 tablespoon sliced almonds for a crunchy finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a clear mixing bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons almond flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of fine salt until everything is evenly combined. Add 1 teaspoon of finely grated orange zest and stir so the citrus oils perfume the dry mixture evenly. Pour in 1/4 cup fresh orange juice, 3 tablespoons unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk until the batter is smooth with no dry spots. Let the batter rest for 2 minutes so it hydrates and big bubbles settle. Transfer the batter into a microwave-safe white ceramic mug, filling it to about 2/3 full. Gently tap the mug on the counter a few times and wipe the rim clean to help prevent overflow. Microwave on full power for 60 seconds. Check the center. If it is still wet, microwave in 10 to 20-second bursts until the top is set but still moist. Let the mug cake stand for 1 minute to finish cooking and cool slightly. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon sliced almonds on top and press them lightly so they stick. Microwave for 10 seconds to gently warm the almonds. Serve warm directly in the mug, or let it cool a bit more for a firmer texture. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this quick vegan mug cake, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe. See you next time.